How to generate presentation slides on Gemini AI in Google Slides. So if you want to create or generate the presentation slides with Gemini AI in Google Slides, then first you just need to simply go with your browser and open up your Google Slides. Go with the Google Slides presentation and make sure to sign into your account. You can simply go with a blank presentation. And here, if you have added your Gemini to your browser, or if you have the Gemini subscription, then you can simply go with the upper right, which will have the Gemini option. But in my case, I don't have that option, or it might not be available in my region. So I'll just showing you an example. Here on the upper right, you will have the Gemini icon. Simply press on that icon, go with create a slide, and then simply enter something that is related to your presentation, and then it will generate the slide of your presentation. Click on insert and you'll be able to create the presentation in this way. So that's how you can generate the presentation slides with Gemini AI in Google Slides. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.